There is a group that sits under the Local Enterprise Partnership that wholly focuses on international trade. And that group is supported by and very much led by UKTI. Now, UKTI is the government service for working with businesses to encourage more businesses to think about exporting for the first time, or if the business is already exporting, to think about how we can work with that business to encourage them to export more. Now, did you know we have something like 29,000 businesses here in Coventry and Warwickshire, and yet only 1,000 of them are active exporters? So there's a fantastic potential out there. There are so many more businesses that really ought to be thinking about how they export for the first time, or indeed how they grow their export base. And all those businesses have to do is either visit the Local Enterprise Partnership portal or come along and work with their Chamber of Commerce, who works with the UKTI service, and we're here to support them. We can actually offer a hand-holding service. We can offer a service which helps them look at the markets abroad that they might be interested in terms of exporting their goods and their products. So we do need more businesses to come forward and think about exporting, because of course the more wealth that a business can create through exporting, the more jobs that we can create here in Coventry and Warwickshire.